Yep.
This is what protects these houses.
I know it.
Come on, Gunny.
Gunny, come on. Hey, dummy. Get up. Oh. Thank you. Wow. Unbelievable.
Well, this is a big concern because,
Yeah.
That's...
And look at this.
Yeah.
Hokey smokes.
Right? Remember, this is where the bench was.
Yep.
And
right here.
it completely took it. I have no idea where these steps came from. There's another set of steps over there.
This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, look at that. Some debris right over there.
Yep.
Wow. So this is what a blizzard can do to your beach.
Oh, this is what ice flows will do to your beach.
Ice flows, a blizzard, nor'easter. Wow, look at this.
I
What?
can only imagine what the other side of Camden looks like.
Oh. Well, I ain't stepping on that, whatever that is. Wow. Unbelievable. Gunny!
Yeah, I have no idea what that is either. That's like
I don't know what that is. Huh. Man, it looks familiar. Oh yeah. Gunny's doing his thing. Wow.
Now the houses that are further down, like
Yeah.
way down, they're practically right up on the water, and the surge came up over the wall and dumped stuff
Jesus.
in their yards. But these were all rugosas.
Yeah. There's another boat. Come here, Gunny. Come here, little brother.
They weren't exposed like this before.
No. No. It's unbelievable.
The one thing that's really freaky is there was a house down here that had built like a cement step
Yeah.
into the wall, and it just completely obliterated all the concrete that had been there.
Wow.
See, look how far it came up. You know?
Mm-hmm. Ugh. Love the fresh air.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
It is indeed.